Hi, Teresa here with ShelfGenie, and today I'm just sharing a pantry transformation that was a corner pantry that also happened to be a blind corner. This corner pantry, even though it was accessible from the front, it still had a deep space to the right. And the frustrations that they had were that they had to pull everything out to access items in the back, and they couldn't see what they had, so they ended up purchasing multiples of the same item, or they just ended up expiring. And it was similar frustrations to what we hear for corner or blind corner cabinets, just amplified. ShelfGenie has a blind corner solution to fix those frustrations, and we were able to apply it to this corner pantry.